on my channel, online classes for the mathematics. So in today's class we are going to discuss the first chapter of the RBC syllabus in 10th standard, which is the Vedic mathematics. It is not the brief discussion, it's only the surface or the revision portion. One by one, I want to explain each and every method with one example, and you will solve all the remaining examples and some other examples from other guides, from your day's works, and from the last year question papers, and from the pre-board question papers. You will solve the remaining these type of the such questions. So let's start from the beginning. I want to check this at this time the division method. First is the Dvajank, another is the Sutra Nikhila method, and one is the Pravartya also. So three methods are there for the division, and similarly some methods for the multiplications also. So let's study one by one about them. तो पहले अपन मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए डिस्कस करते हैं मल्टीप्लाई। तो यहाँ एक्सरसाइज 1.1 का केस है, मल्टीप्लाई द फॉलोइंग। गिवन क्वेश्चन इज 31:2 and this is the question number 5. Exercise 1.1 question number 5. Multiply 33:1/6 into 33:5/6. देखो, some conditions are there for this method. We are using सूत्र एकाधिकेन पूर्वेण। So what are the conditions? We will check in the both the numbers from left to right how many numbers or the digits are equal. Here 3 equal to 3 and 3 equals to 3. Means 33 equals to 33. Two things are remaining, 1/6 and 5/6. These are not equals to each other. So first of all, write here 33 is equals to 33 from here, and 1/6 check sum of these both equals to what? Sum of these both is equals to 1. It is the conditional question. In this case, first we will check the equate values, and after it non-equate values we will check, and the sum of these both it must be equal to either 1 or 10 or 100 or 1000 etc. in the form of 1 and 0. So the given sum of these both the numbers is in the formation of 1. So easily we can solve with the help of the Sutra Ekadikeyan Purvan. If this condition is not possible, these both condition, so we cannot solve with the help of this method. What is the method? एकाधिकेन पूर्वेण। यहाँ पे कंडीशनल ये है, तो एक अधिक पूर्वेण मीन्स पहले वाली वैल्यू में, तो 33 एक तो एज इट इज कर दो इन दोनों में, एंड देन एक अधिक 33 ये एकाधिकेन का सिंबल हो गया। नीचे लगाते हैं तो एका न्यूनेन, एंड ऊपर लगाए अपन तो एकाधिकेन ऑब्लिक 1/6 into 5/6. 33 into 34 oblique 5/36. 33 plus 1 एक अधिक हो गया। नाउ मल्टीप्लाई 132 नहीं सॉरी, हाँ सही है, oblique 5/36. Now remove this 122 is to 3/36. here you will write the language using the method of Sutra Ekadike Purve. So it is the process. What we did here, first of all we check for the conditions for this question, and after apply the method, these are equal, then multiply these both and add one in any one. इसमें ऐड कर दो चाहे इसमें ऐड कर दो तो वो 34 बन जाना है, and then multiply the remaining with a symbol of slash or oblique, and finally remove this symbol and easily you will get your answer. Now the method of Nikhila. I was to explain only one question from it. Just imagine it is any example from my mind. 53 into 54 into 55. Either it is division or multiplication. By the Nikhila method, first of all, you will consider your base. In this case, our base is 10, and then 10 is not 53 is not a number of 10. Then we will consider sub base also. So the base for it, base is equals to 10, sub base is equals to 50, and sub base digit is equals to 50 upon 10, which is equals to 5. Sub base digit is equals to 5. Now what we have to do? The next step what will be? The next step is, first of all, arrange all these number in columns. Now find the deviations. Deviations means the difference between your number and the sub base. Number is 53, sub base is 50, so the deviation will be plus 3. Again here plus 4 and plus 5. Now one more condition will apply here. You will check your base. How many 0 are there? There is only 1 0. Then you will use only the one deviation here. Got it? Or by the way, if in any situation yes there are total 2 0 here, then you will use here 2 digits. अब किसी केस में ऐसा ही बने कि इसमें 2 डिजिट ना बन रहे हो तो पीछे 0 लगा के 2 डिजिट बनाए. Select any number from these. So generally इसको प्रायोरिटी दी जाती है कि ये सबसे टॉप पे है 53 and just leave the just opposite of it and write remaining both of these as it is, plus 4 and plus 5. यदि यहाँ माइनस होगा तो माइनस, प्लस है तो प्लस. Oblique. Now multiply into two terms. 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5 plus 3 into 5. Oblique. Now multiply combinedly. 3 into 4 into 5. Now one more thing is important here. What is this? This step is if the sub base digit is available. If in your question or your process the sub base digit is available, then multiply all of these steps. First step by sub base digit to the power 0, जो कि मैं 5 ले रहा हूं तो 5 to the power 0. Second step by 5 to the power and third step by 5 square. तो इसका आंसर तो 1 और इसको अपन 5 कर सकते हैं और ये 5 स्क्वायर है. इनसे को मल्टीप्लाई करना. If available, then if it is not available, then there is no need to do this type of the reaction for it. So I am raising it because it will multiply by. तो इसको आप जैसा है as it is ही करें क्योंकि 1 से होगा at each and every time. So there is no need to write anything else, and it will multiply by 5 and this will multiply by 25. I hope you are getting it. And 25 into 53 and 9, 62. Oblique 5, 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 20 plus 15. Oblique 60. 5 4 is 23 is 60. 25 को इससे करेंगे कितना आएगा? 5 2 is 10. Carry 1. 5 6 is 30. 30 plus 4 34. 34 and 130. 5 carry 3. 6 2 is 12. 3 15. Oblique and multiply these both. इनको ऐड करेंगे तो आएगा 35 and 47. 47 को 5 से करेंगे कितना आएगा? Clear? The next step. Now it is a turn to forward our carries. कितनी कैरी फॉरवर्ड करनी होंगी, कैसे फॉरवर्ड होंगी? So let's proceed. Check how many zero? 1. So you will keep only one digit here in this also, and the remaining digit you will forward in the next group. So अपन पहले यहां से 0 रखेंगे. समझ में आ गई बात? ये 6 इसमें जाएगा. 6 जैसे इसमें गया कितना बना? 1 मीन्स ये बनेगा 241. 241. इसकी भी 1 last digit 1 and 24 will add in this column. So 4 5 to 7 5 and 1. So this is the answer of this question. It is the method multiplication, sorry, Nicola method for the multiplication with the subbase digit or the subbase. If the subbase digit is not available, then don't do these two things. First this and second is this. Directly you will write this one and this one and proceed. Clear? If there are 2 zeros are here, then what will we do in this case? Then you will keep 2 digit as it is and last digit is the remaining. If it is possible, then forward in the next group. Clear? Now next. And one more method is given, which is urdhva tribhyam. Urdhva tribhyam. Urdhva means vertically. Tiryak, just likely. Tiryak. It is a word of Hindi. It means cross. वैसे ये रिवीजन पोर्शन है तो इसमें ये चीज एक्सप्लेन करना कोई कंपल्सरी नहीं है. आप सभी को वैसे ऑलरेडी क्लियर हुआ होता है और वैसे कहेंगे तो ये जनरल मेथड है और सभी स्टूडेंट को आता है, तो इसलिए मैं इसके ऊपर फोकस नहीं करूंगा. मैं डायरेक्ट चलता हूं डिवीजन पे. निखिलम, प्रावर्त्य एंड ध्वजांक. 3 methods are there. First I am selecting Nikhila method and this is the question number 13. 14 लेता हूं. Question number 14. this समझते रहना. 3994 divided by 97. 3994 divided by 97. Nikhila method is based on a base and we will consider our base according to this. 97 is the closure a nearest value of 100. So let's suppose base is equals to 100. If our base is 100, then what will be the deviation? Deviation is equals to, क्या करें, नंबर माइनस बेस, नंबर माइनस बेस करें या बेस माइनस नंबर करें? मल्टीप्लिकेशन में होता है नंबर माइनस बेस, एंड इन द डिवीजन बेस माइनस नंबर, एंड दिस इज टू कैलकुलेट, it is the method to calculate for deviation and in the method of Nikhila method. Now our base is 100 and number is 97. So deviation is 100 minus 97 is equals to minus not only 3 minus 0 3. अब इसके लिए थोड़ा सा डेकोरेशन करना है भयानक सा. डिवाइड योर प्लेन इन टोटल 6 पार्ट. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is the upper part and is the lower part. First, in the first row and first column, you will write your divisor, which is 97, and here you will write your deviation, जो भी है. Next, in this column or this first row second column, in this you will, this column and this column you will write your divided, which is 3994. अब इसको कितना यहाँ लिखें और कितना यहाँ लिखें? Again check how many zeros are here. There are 2 zeros. Then last 2 digits of this number you will mention here, and the remaining inside or the second column. So 94, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. इसमें कितनी भी आ सकते हैं, 10 20 1 2 0 कुछ भी. मीन्स ये वैल्यूज नहीं बता रहा हूं, नंबर ऑफ द डिजिट्स बोल रहा हूं. 39. What is the procedure? First step, just copy same to same. Got it? And then multiply this by this. Your answer is, result is minus 0 9. Then minus 0 and 9. ये दोनों में से माइनस हो जाएगा. ये कितना बचा? 9. इसको अभी नहीं करना है, स्टेप बाय स्टेप, 1 by 1. Now this 9 3s are 27. ये 27 ये 9 दोनों माइनस के हैं, ऐड हो जाएंगे minus 30. सॉरी ये सही हो गया मैं? नो, आई एम नॉट राइट. ये माइनस का कैसे बचा? ये प्लस आना चाहिए था ना. सॉरी, ये मिस्टेक हो गई. या नाउ ऐड, इसको एक साथ करेंगे, 7 plus 4 11, carry 1, 9 9 18, 18 to 20 and 21. It is our quotient and this is our remainder, but compare the remainder and divisor. Remainder never be greater than our divisor, but in this case it is reality that this is greater than this one, so it is, method is perfect, answer is also perfect, but according to the divisibility rule this is not perfect, because remainder should be or must be less than our divisor. So divide again by this. कितने टाइम हो जाएगा? ये क्वेश्चन है, जितने टाइम्स 2 टाइम्स 97 is 97, 97 is 194. ये इसमें से माइनस कर लीजिए. 7 and 1 17. It is the remainder, and question is 41 and remainder is equals to 17. I hope you understood all of the process, and let's proceed on the next method, which is Pravartya Yojan. And I am selecting 16th question 13385. 13385 divided by 131. This method is completely similar to Nikhila method, as we can say that it is a Nikhila method. ये Nikhila method ही है. लिटिल सा माइनर सा इसमें डिफरेंस क्या हुआ है, वो डिफरेंस क्या है, अपन सही लिखा है या करेक्ट. फर्स्ट अज्यूम base is equals to 100. now calculate deviation. Deviation में निखिला में क्या होता था, in the निखिला method deviation is equals to base minus number in division formation, और यहाँ पे क्या होगा, number minus base. then 131 minus 100 is equals to 31. now the next, अब change the symbol. reflexive digit is equals to it is positive 31, then you will use minus 31. and if we will solve this question by the method of the Nikhila, then यदि अपन इसको निखिला मेथड से करते तो अपन क्या लिखते, अपन लिखते फिर 100 माइनस 130 वोल्ट, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका आंसर क्या आता, माइनस 30 वोल्ट. तो अपन फाइनली पहुंच गए उसी स्टेप पे. अब आगे क्या करें, नेक्स्ट स्टेप अपनी होगी द सेम प्रोसेस, माइनस 31 हियर. अब इसका कोई रोल नहीं बचा है, एंड 131 हियर, 20, the last two digit 85, 133 remaining here, and now step start 1 as it is. multiply this and this, minus 3 and minus 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. multiply this 0 and 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. multiply this, minus 6 and minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 6 is equals to 2. Okay student, so it is the solution of this question. Now I also tell you the last question for the today's lecture, because otherwise the length of the video will be very large. So now the last method for the division, which is Dhwajank method. It is a very important method, and in the RBC syllabus you continuously study about this method from the 8th standard, 9th standard and 10th standard. But still now the near about the 30 or 40% students, they are feeling very difficulties in this method. Method is very easy, but it contains the lot of the steps. So how it will work and how we will do it, let's check. I'm selecting any one question from it. Let 1 2 3 4 5 divided by 91, and this is the question number 20. Question number 20. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 divided by 91. Method is Dhwajank. देखो ध्वज, it is a Hindi word, and the meaning of Dhwaj is flag. What is flag? Meaning of Dhwaj is flag. So इसके अंदर कोई बेस सब बेस ये एज्यूम करने का कोई सेंस नहीं है. जस्ट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 91 इसको ऐसे लिखेंगे. लास्ट डिजिट ऑफ दिस नंबर यू विल राइट एज अ फ्लैग डिजिट एंड दिस 9 इज एज ए बेस डिजिट. थोड़ा सा ऐसे पावर की जैसे डिग्री लगा ना x to the power 2 उस फॉर्मेशन में लिखें. And the last digit of this number 5 and the remaining 1 2 3 4. थोड़ा सा इसको 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3 4. Now step number first. We will divide each and every digit by 9. 1 is divisible by 9. Yeah, divisible 0 times. But the answer will remain same, so it is the wasting of time. Select 12. First step, 12 divided by 9, and quotient is equals to 9 1 is 9 and remainder is equals to 9 3 12. Quotient is 1 and remainder we have used still 3. Sorry, 12 we have used. तो ये जो 3 है वो next 3 से पहले लग जाएगा. Got it? New dividend is equals to 33. अब इसको modify करना है. Modified dividend is equals to 33 minus modification we will apply from here. 1 into 1 is equals to 1 is equals to 32. Next step. Now divide 32 by 9. मेथड क्या रहेगा इसका? बड़ा सिंपल सा फंडामेंटल है, बहुत बेसिक है. नथिंग इज कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. आपको डिविडेंड पता करना है, उसको मॉडिफाई करना है और डिवाइड करना है. डिविडेंड पता करो, मॉडिफाई करो और डिवाइड करो. इट इज द सेम प्रोसेस. देखो फर्स्ट में तो आप मॉडिफाई नहीं कर पाओगे क्योंकि आपके पास कोई क्वेश्चन अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो आपने डायरेक्टली डिवाइड कर दिया. नाउ वी गो टू वन क्वेश्चन. नाउ स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसीड ऑन इट. 32 divided by 9, then quotient is equals to 3 9 is 27 and 5 is remaining. The remainder is equals to 5. 9 is 27 and remainder is equals to 5. Now new dividend is equals to 54. Modified dividend is equals to 54 minus 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is 3. 51. Third step, divide 51 by 9 again. Then quotient is equals to 9 5 is 45 and remainder is equals to 6. 9 5 is and it is 6. This portion shows the remainder value. So remainder is equals to 65 and modified remainder. हर एक स्टेप को मॉडिफाई करना है. 65 minus 5 into 1 is equals to 60. Now check. It's 60. 60 is the remainder. Remainder is 60 जो कि आपका यहाँ पे है. आप डायरेक्टली इसको डिवाइड नहीं करना, रिमाइंडर को कभी डिवाइड नहीं किया जाता. नाउ चेक 60 इज लेस देन 91 और नॉट, क्योंकि रिमाइंडर आपका डिवाइजर से छोटा होना चाहिए जो कि यहाँ पर है. सो आवर क्वेश्चन इज 135 and remainder is 60. Okay students, so finally we have completed one exercise 1.1, and the remaining part of this chapter in the next video we will solve. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you understood and you enjoyed today's class. Thank you.